Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the Oraimo Watch 6, and on this video, we will have a demo for the smart notifications. And we will focus on Instagram, Viber, and SMS. So if you want to see how the push notification works with Instagram, Viber, and messages, or SMS messages, watch this video. And again, support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and have a demo of the smart notification feature of the Oraimo Watch 6. This time we will have the Instagram application. So let's open the app. So let's send a message. Let's send a message to Cindy. Let's say hello. Say hello. Hopefully it works with Instagram. And we have here the message, the name of the sender. Okay, the application, we have the logo here, and we have hello. Hi. Then let's add an emoji. Let's see if it works with emoji. And we have it here. Okay, so there's no support for emoji, but we do have some messages here, words stating that the user sent an emoji. How about this one? It is a long message. Let's see how many characters for the Instagram app. And so until use. So we have pentagram that uses the whole alphabet. So the whole alphabet here did not appear. So at least 3 sentences is supported by our WhatsApp application here for push notifications. Next, let's have here the call. Let's see if there's a support for call notifications. Then end call, and we have here the call notification feature. You missed an audio call from Samsung. So it works with Instagram app. Next, let's have Viber. So let's send a message to Cindy here. Hi. And send message. Again. Okay, we have the Viber message here. And we have here the message. Okay. So it is using a generic icon here for the message. Okay. So we have again the Viber message here. The name of the sender and the message. Let's see again. Hello. With emoji. Hopefully we can receive an emoji here for the Viber app. Not yet. There's a delay. Again. Okay, so we have here retrieving recent messages. And we have here the message from Viber. So there's no support for emoji. Okay, just delayed, but we have it here now. Let's have a call. And we have a missed call from the Viber app. As you can see, incoming missed call. Okay, so everything works for our Viber application. Okay, we have notification, we have call or missed call notification. Next, SMS. How are How are you? And let's see, and we have here, okay, we have the icon for SMS, we have the message here, and we also have the name of the sender. So it works for SMS. Again, the last one, hi, another emoji, try, how are you, let's see, and we have it here. Again, there's no support for emoji for SMS. Then let's delete the message. Okay, delete. Okay, so that's it for our demo for the smart notification feature of the Oraimo Watch 6, particularly Instagram, Viber, and SMS. If you want to see the notification feature for Messenger and WhatsApp application, watch our previous video for the push notification demo. Again, if you find this video useful, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.